Hello lovely people and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we're gonna make Za'atar sticks. First, split the Lebanese bread into two separate pieces. Then stack them up on top of each other and slice them into two halves and stack those up on top of each other. Next, you're gonna make your sticks by slicing about 2 to 3 centimeters off the bread and cutting those in half. You could keep them super long if you want, but they're easier to eat this way. If you're using a sharp knife, you should be able to slice them quickly and without a problem. I just lined the baking pan with foil for easier cleanup later. Add the sticks to the baking pan and drizzle some olive oil on them. Don't add too much oil because then they'll be oily. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, it's just better. Then sprinkle the za'atar on top. You can add as much as you want and it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that each stick gets a little za'atar. Then put them in a preheated oven for 10 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Man, za'atar sticks are the bomb. Like, seriously, they're a great snack. You can eat them on their own or with Labneh. They're just really good and super crunchy, and that's what makes them even better. Plus, once you start eating, it's really hard to stop and you will end up fighting for them with your life.
The point is not to finish the entire thing.
That's so good. Good snack.
Good snack.
And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you think I'm not gonna make a pina colada and drink it directly from this pineapple, you don't know me.